Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are welcome. You are free, and I request you to join the family because we want the family to be a big family, not big family, happy family. Yes, that is what I want you to do. And for the past 7 days, I have been trying this Dr.Rashel vitamin C. When I studied it on the 5th day, I thought or I felt like I was seeing some changes because I woke up and my skin was soft. But then when I went to the mirror, I just found like I'm dripping of oil, like I'm shining, like I can see my future on my face. Like if I do like this, I can cook without oil. That was the situation. After I washed my face, I realized that I am having more negative reaction than positive. Okay, so I just decided, like, you know what, let me relax and see what's going to happen. So I finished it yesterday and the experience is not as good as I would love to say. So this is vitamin C. It claims to be brightening and anti-aging, contain higher hyaluronic acid. It says it's anti-aging, brighten, firming, repair, protecting, and improves skin elasticity. Well, me and vitamin C don't have like a clean slate. We fight, and we fight a lot. So this won't be the first time that me and vitamin C are fighting and not, and it losing, or is it me losing or it losing? I don't know. It is losing. Either it's me losing or it's it losing. I'm still trying to, piece that in. So, first things first. So the first things that I love is that this is not thick serum. It's not thick. It doesn't stick. It doesn't sting. There are those that sting. It doesn't sting at all. So those are the positive things that I have for it. It's a little bit runny. It's a little bit runny, like it's a little bit watery, but I think every company with its different formula, because like as of now I would have thought that this is, but I think every company with its different formula, because like as of now I would have thought that this is over and all these are over or reduced, and my dark spots over or reduced, and all these reactions that I was having, especially these reactions, you see these reactions down here, I would have thought by now that they are over. But look at that. Look at my face. Look at it. This side had no reaction, by the way. Like this side was smooth. Since it's not my cup of tea, let it be your cup of tea. But before that, you have to give it, like, you have to be patient, like for a week. This is how my body works. If a product is going to work for me, I will know that in probably 24 hours if it's going to work and if it's not going to work. And I was just giving this a trial. I was not sure whether it was going to work because my skin was the same the next day. Even after 48 hours, even after 72 hours, it was still the same. So this is not my cup of tea, and boy, I'm not going to drink it. So until next time, this has been my review. It is good, actually. It's a really good serum.